Okay, next we're going to add in a hole at the top here with threads, and then we'll cut out this little section at the bottom. So we'll create a sketch on this top surface, 2D sketch, and we want a hole that's a 1/2 inch diameter, and then we'll extrude that through. Okay, and let's see, we'll select that, and we want it to go down to the other direction, but we don't want it to go all the way through. So we're going to change our distance. If you remember, that was just like 1.25 all the way, and that should cut it through for us. All right, good. You know what? Didn't quite make it, did it? So let's edit that just a bit and find out how far it needs to go down. Okay, let's start our extrusion. Okay, I do not want that surface. Try to click the other one. Come off that. I'm going to select it. That's the one we want. And we'll go to the other direction. I'm going to add one little bit on there. Make sure we're good. I think it was just being the exact number. Okay, and then we'll create another sketch on the bottom. In this case, the cutout is 0.688 inches from this corner, this little edge here, to the end of the circle that's cut out on the bottom. So I'm going to draw a little line and then come over, keep it 0 degree or 90, I guess it's 90 degrees here, the way they're doing it. And we'll type in 0.688 as our length and escape off that tool. I want to draw a circle. I recommend the 2-point circle. Let's see if it'll let me do that. That's just diameter off that. Okay, well, let's see. So another way to do this would be to go to the center of that circle, which in this case, that circle is a 1/4 inch diameter, which means we need to subtract away 1/8 of an inch, 0.125 from the 0.688. So it's 0.563. And now we can go to the end of that with our center point circle and make that a 1/4 inch, 0.25. Okay, and then we'll draw some lines from the ends. Let me zoom in just a tad. There we go. We'll draw a line this way. Looks to me like we drew another circle, didn't it? So we'll fix that in a minute. Draw that line. And we'll draw another line. Snap it in. Good. And then we'll trim out. Okay, good. It's not there. We'll trim out this inside stuff we don't need. And we can delete these dimensions if you'd like, just so you can see what is left. Oh, I see now. I'm hovering over that. That's the hole that's cut out on the top side. Let me finish trimming out this little line. And then we can extrude that to cut it out. Okay. And again, we want to cut out the other direction. And that works for me. And next thing is to add threads in here. So we'll click, see threads, there they are. And we'll click threads on the inside surface. And this is fine. We got the 1/2 inch selected. All right. And that way we can choose the 1/2 inch -20 UNF. And it's the full depth of that surface. Click OK. And it looks good. So let's see, we can come back to home and you can see that part.